Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your online visibility on Facebook as well as on Messenger, because sometimes we need silence and we want to hide our online visibility with others. So after this setting, you can easily hide your online visibility whenever you want to hide. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our channel. After opening the Facebook, you will see three dotted on top right. Click on it and you will see setting and privacy option. Click on it and then click on setting and scroll down the page. You will see audience and visibility. Scroll down it and see the last option, active status. Click on it and then turn off active status. Turn off, and in this way, when you are using Facebook but others cannot be understand you are using or not, because your visibility will be offline to the others. You can also hide your visibility on the messengers. Open the messenger app and you will see three dotted on the left right, and then you will see setting options. Click on it and then you will see active status. Click on it and then turn off the active status. So pause it. So in this way, when others search on your profile, he will see that you are not using Facebook, because he will see that you are offline, not on online mode. So in this way, you can easily hide your online visibility. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.